Well, for the last 2 years, Mexico's government has declared war on the major drug cartels in that country, which control lucrative smuggling routes into the United States. We're talking about cocaine, marijuana, methamphetamine. And this war has become increasingly violent. The drug-related homicides have more than doubled over the last 2 years. And it's a war it's not clear the Mexican government is winning or even can win, and that's what we explore in this piece on Sunday.
What does the drug war have to do with the U.S.?
Well, many people in the U.S. maybe see this as a Mexican problem. When you go down to Mexico, as we did, they see this as a problem of the United States as well as a problem in Mexico. Most of the weapons which are being used by drug cartels, 90% of them, according to the Mexican government, come from the United States. And the amount of cash, of course, which comes from people buying narcotics in the United States, which is the main market where all these drugs through Mexico are ending up, the money that's being made in the United States that's going back to Mexico is extraordinary. Its estimates are as high as $40 billion every year made by drug cartels in the United States. So there's a lot of cash and there's a lot of weapons all coming from the United States that's helping to fuel this war, and there's no end in sight.
Should citizens of the U.S. be worried?
Well, officials from Homeland Security certainly are concerned about what is happening in Mexico, and certainly citizens around the United States should be informed and concerned about what's going on. According to the Justice Department, Mexican drug cartels, this is not just a war that's being fought in Mexico, this has already spilled over into the United States. Mexican drug cartels are operating in some 230 cities in the United States, according to the Justice Department. Just this past week, they've arrested hundreds of suspects accused of being linked with just one drug cartel operating in the United States. And it is a major source of concern, certainly, and for the new Secretary of Homeland Security, Janet Napolitano, who we talked to in the piece on Sunday.